Hello, America. This is Theo with Theo Sports Talk. In considering the New England Patriots and thinking that this is a rebuilding year for them, they signed Cam Newton. Well, I really didn't think that Cam Newton would be, I don't want to say that he was awful, but we kind of expected more from him. However, I am going to give him a pass simply because of COVID-19. I think COVID-19 did a lot of players in, especially Cam Newton, in trying to learn a totally different system. Hey, that takes a toll on a player. And as you can see in the performance, and as you can see in the New England Patriots record, this is a rebuilding year for them in case they didn't know it. And I truly believe that the New England Patriots will be back next year. They will also need to find probably a new quarterback. You heard it from me. God bless you. Go Browns.